welcome back to the Avalon game project. So last time we have finished the first part of the quest voting state. Now we can handle the incoming event of a team member cast a vote for the current quest. Now today we would like to finish the rest of the implementation, and I think the problem, like I mentioned last time, the quest voting the quest voting state is a lot like the round voting state. So here, the same as this, like we made the same mistake as what we made in the round voting state, which is we forgot we're not updating the we are not updating the quest itself. We're not updating the quest itself after the last vote cast. So actually, I just realized something. We are making a mistake here. So we are going to, oh no, we haven't. Actually, that's pretty good. So, so here, so if the quest is complete, we need to do something like completed. So we'll have to do something like this. We'll get a result, and then we actually so basically we get the result, and we are going to actually this part we're still going to have it because no matter the result, we're going to have to do this check anyways. So here we are only going to get the quest number from the event, and we are going to just set the result. And we don't have this yet, so let's add it. So okay, then let's implement this first. Is quest vote completed? So so let's take a look at the quest first. So here, what we need to do is we need to do two things. First is to find how many votes do we have for this quest, and second, we're going to compare the number of the votes to the team member to the length of team member IDs of the quest. So actually, we'll have do it here. Okay, so we need the quest number here. So in quest number, we need the quest number to actually get the quest. This the string quest number is an int, and we are going to return a boolean. So first, we will get the quest first. No, it's fine. We have already did the validation here when we handle the event. So at this point, we already know the quest is most definitely there, and we know for a fact that it's not finished. So I'm not going to do any check here. But ideally, so if this is in a workplace, I think you should do it anyways because it's 2 lines of code. It doesn't really, so it's easier for other people to refactor this in the future. So it's called basically defensive programming. So if this is at work, there's no harm of doing this again because it's like a if statement is super simple, but here this is a personal project. We know for a fact that it's already checked. I just don't want to pollute the logic anymore. Basically you'll have to balance things out like when you do your personal project and how you behave at work. Okay, so now based on this quest, I think I want to get the quest votes equals to get quest votes. We don't have this yet, so let's add it. Actually, this will return a list of quest vote. Wait, we don't have a quest vote entity yet? That's strange. I think at this point I will just copy the round vote and create a quest vote entity. So now let's rename this instead of round vote. This is the quest vote we don't have. Yeah, so basically it's the same exact thing. So now we have a quest vote class. Here we are able to actually, no, it was in the repository. So we're able to actually return a list of quest vote. Good. Coming back, so quest votes, now we have these just to return if the number of quest votes equals to the number of team members. Okay, so let's test this. So test quest vote completed. I think I'll do 2 things. Test.mark.parameterize. This is not what I want. I will have quest and no, actually I will have team member IDs and quest votes. 2 things. So the combination we are going to have is, so team member IDs I will so I want to have ID1, ID2, let's have 2, and the quest votes I'll just have 1. So this is invalid. Oh, and I think we need 3 values, so is completed. So in this case, this one's false. But if we have a ID1, ID2, this is the team member IDs. The votes, we also have 2, but now this is passed. So, okay. We don't need a we need a marker. We need a quest service. We need a repository. We need a team member IDs. Yeah. Okay. So now with game ID quest number, so we get a quest. The quest dot team member IDs are the team member IDs we get. The quest votes are quest votes. So now when the repository tries to get a quest, we get a quest back. But when we get the quest votes, it's when repository tries to query the quest votes, the return value is quest votes. So yep, so this one's correct. So yep, everything is passing. Great. Now let's go take a look at the is mission passed. So is mission passed? We still get string string as game ID, quest number as int. We return a boolean. And instead of is mission passed, we actually want to name this is quest passed because we want to keep the naming consistent. And we will have to quest number. So now that is quest passed, we're going to actually do the same thing. We are going to get all the quest votes. Sorry about that. Quest votes equals to when we get quest votes. Fail vote equals to quest vote if let's call it disapprove votes equals to these, and return yeah. So if oh, okay. So here we'll have, this is a little bit tricky because at quest 4, we do need 2 votes for it to fail. So let's take a look. So remember we do have this, when we define game, we have a game config. Here, we don't have a value for the number of disapproval per mission. So here at this moment, I will do something like this. So if quest number not equals to 4, else yeah, we can do something like this. We can do something like this. So now what we have to do is to test it. So now we want to also we want to test a couple of different scenarios. So quest votes not only is approved, and in between I think I need a quest number. Okay, so now so the first one I want to check is I have two approves, quest number anyone, and this is approved. So this is the happy path. Now the second one is we have true and false. Third quest, the quest is passed. So the quest is not passed. Now we want to verify two cases for the fourth quest. So now it is we have a true, we have a false. This is quest 4, and this is still passed. And the fourth one is we have two false, and when for the so here. So basically, if we have two disapproved fails, even the fourth quest fails. So now let's do this quest votes, quest number, and is passed. So now the quest vote, we don't really need the quest number, yes. So now we want to have quest votes. Actually, let's just call it votes. And the quest votes equals to precisely. So it's auto-generated for us, and when we query the quest votes, we return the quest votes. So now when we verify if the quest passed, we are going to return is So let's run the tests. Okay, this is not exactly right. So, oh, no. So we need the actual customized quest number. Okay, cool. We have this one, and now we want to actually implement the set result. The set result, tr int, and the result is Boolean. So this one's actually quite simple. So we just quest equals to, we get the quest result equals to result, and we just update the quest. We can return it, but yeah, let's return it, whatever. The return value could just be quest. Okay, very simple. Let's test it out. Def test set quest result. All these good stuff. The only thing is the result is actually a Boolean, so we are going to set it to just true, and when the repository get the quest, we return the quest updated result, and result perfect. And we also want to verify the return value. No, it has some problem because repository update quest return value. Actually, this one we need to do something like this, because we just wanted to return whatever is passed to it. Update quest, called once with, and result equals result. Why is it not assert res mock.get quest return value equals to quest or result equals to result, and updated quest equals to update quest. Oh, this is updated quest, my bad. Sorry. Okay, now everything's good. Cool. Last but not least, we are going to verify if the quest has a warm majority. No, the game has warm majority. So at this point, we no longer need the quest. So now we just want to get all the quests. So the quest result is actually the quest result. We don't have a okay, we have a result. Quest. or past. Wait, then in this set quest result, nah, it's fine. It's gonna be set quest result. Quest result is I'm thinking actually move this to here because let's see, how have we established our pattern? Okay, so we do have a result here, voting result. Okay, let's follow the same pattern. So the set quest result, it's not a boolean, it's a voting result. And here, the voting result equals to voting result dot past if else voting result dot we haven't imported this. Okay. Dot failed. Quest past, we do need a quest number, and this is a voting result. So set quest result, voting result. Okay, and here when we test it, we should not use a boolean value anymore. We should use a voting result dot past and verify that yeah, everything's okay. Cool. So yeah, okay, let's come back here. So so here instead it's not really has one majority, rather has majority, because the majority of the quests could have failed and we still want to move on to the end game state. So it has majority. So it's a actually success quests or past quests and failed quests. So if or if any of these have a majority, so we can test this out. There's repository. So now we want to actually verify. So we want to verify a couple of different scenarios. So we need the votes and we need the has majority. So votes, I think I'm gonna use true and false to represent everything. So yeah, this is not exactly right, so I'm going to delete everything. So first scenario I want to verify is that we have 3 passed, and in this case we do have a majority. The second case I want to verify is that we have 3 fails, and we also have a majority. But the third case is that I have 2 passed and 2 failed. In this case, we do not have a majority. So what we do is votes and result. So now the quests, we are going to quests equals to this for vote in votes. We are going to set the quest result equals to voting result dot passed if vote else voting result of failed. Now this we're gonna append it to the quests, and when we don't need team member IDs because we're not using it here, so when we actually get the quests, we are going to return the quests. So now when we try to verify if we have a majority, the rest should equals to the result. So if we have 3 passes, it result quest result get quests, no, let's get quests. Yep. Okay, we have finished this, and last but not least, we did modify the quest voting state, added these logic. So we wanted to go test quest voting state and modify the happy path, which is test quest voting state. Yeah, we can just do the first one. So now, well, mission not voted. No, we don't have to do this one. We need this to be missions, quests, missions, quests, replace all. Mission quest. Okay, so now so when the quests are completed, we are going to add these verification. So first of all, we are going to is quest vote completed, and in between we want to mark that quest service dot is quest passed. The return value could be true. Let's set it to true. So when it's true, we want, so afterwards we want to verify that the quest service dot set quest result assert called with, and here we need the quest number, which we in the event, do we have a quest number here set? Payload, okay, we need a quest number, so let's set it here. Quest number equals to 3, right? Okay, so the in the payload, the quest number is the quest number. Okay, now let's get back here. I think it's this one. Yes. So set quest result. We are setting using the game ID, the quest number, and the voting result, which is voting result dot passed. Everything passing? Perfect. Wait. Quest completed. Not completed. Right. Quest not voted. Quest completed. Not completed. Yeah. So I think it's fine. We could potentially verify that if yeah, why not? Okay. I'll do something like this. So now the mark.parameterize. This is well, completed, and the quest is quest passed, and voting result. So now we want to have two combinations. So if the quest passed, the voting result should be passed, and if the is passed is false, the voting result should be failed. Now we need to add these two to the parameters, is passed and the voting result. So now the is passed, the return value is passed is quest passed. Wait. Is quest passed. And the whatever is called here should be voting result. Perfect. Okay, so cool. Now we have implemented the, oh yeah, not yet. So now we have implemented the handle event part. Now on exit, we want to announce the result of this quest. I think we I think I'll stop here today. We can deal with this next time real quick. Yeah, I think the heavy lift we have done the heavy lifting. So next time we're just going to announce the good news and move on to the end game stage. Cool. Yeah. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.